Today's video is sponsored by Allove hair, and I have a 24-inch body wave 4x4 wig closure. I bleached the knots, I washed it, it came wavy, but when I washed it, the waves, you know, body wave, the waves kind of flattened out a little bit, so that was expected. But this hair is beautiful. The hair came in this purple bag, and I also received a wig cap with it, and this is their card. So if you would like to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
Junior J exclusive.
Do a CT scan for my brain. Do a CT scan for my brain. Do a CT scan for my brain. In the street, man, hustle every day. Me have a burn and me have a prepay. Do the math, Asian brain. Liquor later, be a champagne tea that. Finch and Jane. A high grade, we a bring pamphlet. She say me cool, me say England rain. In a me room, she a sing pancake. Do a CT scan, money from my brain. Money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Do a CT scan, money from my brain. Money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Money from my brain, dog, money from my brain, yo, Edmonton. Money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Inna the street, man, a hunt and gather. Personality, cloak and dagger. We a sport bank robber. Inna the weed, we a smoke hot rubber and a tongue. Lone top shatter, bunny pa tongues, you fi know that papa. Man a real hot stepper. Ask Jeggy or Bo or Pepper. Do a CT scan, money from my brain. Money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Do a CT scan, money from my brain. Money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Every woman, every man, money from my brain. Money from my brain, dog, money from my brain, yo, Edmonton. Money from my brain, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Money from my brain, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Money from my brain.
I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream, never thought I would get to live. So no, I ain't trying to catch up to you. All I can be is authentic, you gon' get the truth. It's the truth, hey, I ain't really got no bling. I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's what you got it. I got it, yes I do. Every you for me, I'm lonely without my Louis on me. I ain't dripping ice, no new freezer, but I'm tryna live life. Every day saying where I wanna leave it. Can't name my price, but I'm riding in a Beamer. Yeah, ain't no two-seater. More room to kick my feet up. Feeling like a boss-ass bitch these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your chips. Hope and waste and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me. Yeah, this the way daddy raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no bling. I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I don't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's what you got it. I got it, yes I do. Heavy up on me, I'm lonely without my Louis on me. No matter what the fit is with me, I guarantee I got mine.
right, you guys, I am done with the unit. I am loving this hair. Like, it's so soft. I love it. I love this hair. My review on this hair is I love it. The only thing is that the waves came out when I washed it. That was my first time washing it. But other than that, I love it. It's very soft. It's not shedding. It took the curls very well. And I slayed my baby hairs, you guys. Like, I gotta give myself credit, okay?